4932, climb maintain for level 310.
Level 310, computer 4932.
Southwest 1380, clear direction in, CINSE. Oh, you know what, you don't, clear direction in, CINSE. Southwest 1380, Southwest 1380, if you're trying to get me, all I hear is static.
Southwest 1380 has an engine fire descending.
Southwest 1380, you're descending right now?
Yes, sir, we're single engine descending, have a fire number 1.
Alright, Southwest 1380, okay, where would you like to go to? Which airport?
Give us a vector for your closest.
Okay.
Philadelphia.
We're just flying 250.
Okay, heading 250. We're looking at Philly. Let's
Southwest 1380, roger, and stand by. South 1380 to the Philadelphia airport, direct.
Direct, Philadelphia direct, Southwest 1480. Center Blue 35067, 20.8 for 230.
Southwest 1380, do you have traffic just below you?
say again for Southwest 1380.
Southwest 1380, New York.
Southwest 1380, go ahead.
Southwest 1380, understand, so there's a fire, you're a single engine for the fire?
Actually, we're no fire now, but we are single engine.
Okay, you are single engine now, okay. So the next facility, I guess it's, can you maintain 11,000?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so 1380 is going to maintain 11,000.
Okay, down to 11,000.
You're on 4919, fly maintain, 320, Psycho.
Alright, up to 320 direct Psycho, 4919.
Southwest 1380, just so I can understand, you said that you are still single engine, and what else?
Okay, Southwest 1380, we're single engine, that's it.
Okay, single engine. Maintain 11,000, you need anything standing by on the truck?
Yes, if you would, have them roll the trucks. It's on the engine number 1, captain side.
Okay, thank you. Southwest 1380, contact New York Center 135.45.
3545, good day.
Runway 3625, 6,000.
Southwest 1458, you can expect an extended downwind. We have another fellow company airplane coming in that has an emergency that's pretty serious, so we're going to dump him in front of you.
No problem. We're running early, so do what you got to do, 14 and 15.
Hey, join Erie there, maintain 170 knots, please. I'm going to slow you down.
Okay, Erie, 170 on the speed, Southwest 1458.
American 585, also emergency for you, being landing in front of you there, so reduce speed to 170, get you right in as soon as we can.
Phone to 170, American 585, no problem.
Ever 3625, Philly approach. The altimeter's 2974, expect the ILS 27 right, or, yeah, let's do 27 right, and you can maybe expect some delay vectors, so we have an emergency landing with a possible engine fire.
We need a single channel, no more channel switching.
Plus 1380, you're on approach frequency 128.4, you're where you should be, maintain 4,000, and do you need any further assistance from me? What type of final do you want? I heard short, or long.
Yeah, we're going to need a long final.
Okay, I'm going to let you drive until you tell me you want to turn base, okay? So that'll be at least a 25-mile final. Longer than that, I'll have to do some coordination, but that'll be fine. We'll get that done for you. You let me know when you want to come in.
Okay, 20 is good, and we may need shorter here in a moment. Tell me the runway we're setting up for.
We're going to set up for 2...
Say again?
Okay, Southwest 1380, you'll be landing 27 left today, and you just let me know when you need to turn base. Right now, I only have one person in front of you, which is a Southwest, but I'm sure he'll pull off if you need to go right in.
Southwest 1458, we got...
Okay.
Southwest 1458, clear visual approach 27 right, keep your speed up. I'd like to get you on the ground before I have to turn her base.
Copy that. Speed up, clear visual 27 right.
Okay, center.
Southwest 1380. 1380, I got a 1458 on frequency. I just cleared him for the approach. Southwest 1380. I understand your emergency. Let me know when you want to go in.
Yeah, we have a part of the aircraft missing, so we're going to need to slow down a bit.
Southwest 1380, speed is your discretion. Maintain at any altitude above 3,000 feet, and you let me know when you want to turn base.
All right, down to 3,000, 210 on the speed.
Absolutely. You just let me know anything you need. American 1894, descend and maintain 6,000, then reduce speed to 170.
6,000, speed 170, American 1894.
43625, fly heading 040, and reduce speed to 170.
040, speed 170, Foxtrot 3625.
Southwest 1380, like to start turning inbound. And
Southwest 1380, just start turning southbound there. There's a Southwest 737 on a 4-mile final. Will be turning southbound. Start looking for the airport. It's off to your right and slightly behind you there. And altitude is your discretion. Use caution for the downtown area. Advise you maintain at above 2,200 for the MVA.
okay, could you have the medical meet us there on the runway as well? We've got injured passengers.
Injured passengers, okay. And is your airplane physically on fire?
No, it's not on fire, but part of it's missing. They said there was a hole and someone went out.
I'm sorry, you said there was a hole and somebody went out? Southwest 1380, it doesn't matter. We'll work it out there. So the airport's just off to your right. Report it in sight, please.
In sight. Southwest 1380, airport's in sight.
Southwest 1380, you're cleared visual approach 27 right. Contact the tower on 118.5. Southwest 13, I'm sorry, cleared visual approach 27 left. 27 left and towers on 18.5.
We're going on 27 left. Switching tower. Good day.
Tower, Southwest 1380, landing on 27 right.
Southwest 1380, you want to land 27 right?
27 left, I'm sorry, 27.
Southwest 1380, runway 27 left, clear to land, wind 280 at 19, gust 25.
27 left to land, Southwest 1380. Do you have a frequency for our fire?
Joey, depart Foxtrot 21.
Foxtrot 21 there.
135.1, they'll be there.
I need to talk to the pilot.
Foxtrot 21, go to tower 11. Correction, he's come over to my frequency now.
This is Captain 772.
Foxtrot 21, that's the captain there. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. I believe Captain's side is where we had the damage, and that's the engine that went out.
Yeah, we're examining damage down to check for heat source. Is there any injuries inside the aircraft itself? And also, we have no signs of any smoke or fire from the outside right now.
Okay, we do have injured inside, so as soon as we can get those taken care of, that'd be great.
We're going to get you back to the gate, but first we want to make sure we got no signs of smoke or heat.
All right, we're putting our flaps down just in case, because we did have some smoke initially up here.
Foxtrot 21, off command to pilot 737, Southwest. Philly Tower, Foxtrot 21.
Foxtrot 21 there.
Can we talk to the pilot again?
Go ahead for Southwest 1380. Southwest 1380 is up on 35-1.
Foxtrot 21, that's the pilot there. Go ahead.
How many injuries do you have on the aircraft?
We're trying to figure it out right now. Stand by.
All right. So we are, man. We're going to have buses come over for you, and we're going to deplane and have some paramedics come on and take a look at the patient.